Hi, today we're gonna make lemongrass with chicken wings. Um, this is lemongrass here, like that. So all we need is we only use just a few pieces. We don't use the top, the green part. We only use the bottom root area. So we cut it like that, and just like that. Just using that much. So like that. You can cut them little pieces, or I cut a little long strip just like that, like that. All right. Then you just cut the real thin pieces like that. All right, that's about it. And you're gonna put it on the side here. See, and also we're gonna use some chop up. Onions, just a red onion, like that. About one chop up onion and few pieces lemongrass. The chicken wing, we're gonna use about pound and a half, 2 pounds. Okay. Then all you have to do is just cut them two pieces. You don't want the tip. You just cut like that. Like that. All right, then ready to cook. Put a little white pepper, a little salt, cooking wine in it. Have about 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. About 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So you don't need that much, just a little bit. Okay, and that's it. And you turn on the heat here. Okay, and we're gonna mix them up. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna put some oil in it, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Just covering up the bottom of the pan. We're gonna put the chicken wing in it. Just lay them down like that. Just moving them a little bit and kind of, after they brown on one side, you just turn them over. See, start browning up, see? Okay, when you turn them over, you see they're browning up pretty good. I think it's browning up pretty good right now, so just cook a little bit more. I think that's okay then. Then we're gonna put the lemongrass in it. and also the onion. Kind of cook the onion a little bit. Put them in the on the bottom, so let it cook a little bit. Okay, then we put 2 tablespoons of cooking wine in it. Five tablespoons of fish sauce in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 3 tablespoons of sugar. How about make it 4? 4 tablespoons of sugar. Tablespoon of sugar. And put the half cup of water in it. Just enough cover half of the chicken wing, you know, just like that. Then we're gonna cook it down. Then we come back here a bit. Okay, it's already like over 10 minutes. The gravy already picking it up, you know. So all you have to do is just cut the pieces. See, they are cooked. Yeah, they're cooked. So you put the cilantro, cut up cilantro, and some chop up green onion into it. And you turn off the heat. Wow, there's that cilantro good. All right, then you put it on the plate. Okay, this is a lemongrass chicken wing.